Ar a card Thomas seo a hógáil go rééis sa Morrison lám lá clia inis in enaclum far a bhí a knockout your foot in a cartna le Janie Mila Fáú the mighty example comes to thought to.
Come on.
Fantastic.
It's the same old you, the same old me. You get bored and I get cold feet. Get high, get wandering eyes. Forget I've never ever had it so sweet.
Example, you're a man who defies classification, not in like is it a bird, is it a plane type way, but musically you understand, in terms of like it's a little bit pop, there's a little bit of rap going on, it's kind of dancey, it's kind of electro. Like what is your sound, example? You're a hard man to pin down.
You can't pin it down. When you stick my album, won't go quietly out now, into iTunes, like the CD, comes up genre unclassified.
Ah, there you go.
So that means I don't have to do anything. I can just be rock. I can sing. I can rap. I can, do a backflip. I can sing in Irish. My new single.
Try that.
Come on.
It's gonna be a great single.
Come on.
You're rock.
Come on, we'll catch our very last train, light our very last flame, so we'll knock it all back and forget our names, 'cause it's our
Will be this originally, before you even got in on your non-classified sound, you studied film directing.
Yeah, I wanted to be a film director. I still do. I'm just using music to get into film.
But was it a case you discovered you were in fact at directing? You said, I'm going to throw my hands to other talents and see what happens. And it just so happens you are brilliant at music and not so great at directing.
I'd probably be a good director.
Yeah?
I don't know. I'm probably rubbish at directing. No, I got first for my film.
Very good. And what was the film about?
It was like, like Lock, Stock and Two Smoking Barrels. Snapped.
Okay.
It was like that, but set on the university campus. It was like if gangsters existed on a university campus,
yeah,
then it would have been in my film,
love kick starts again. Starts again.
Bringing it back to the music, Kickstarts, I suppose, over here really dominated the radio for a long time. That line, might be holding your hand, but I'm holding it loose. That really hit the nail on the head. I like that.
Was it making you feel a bit tender?
Yeah, it was a bit, yeah. No, I'm not gonna lie, it really was. Was that a personal experience or was that just...
Yeah, I think like a lot of people said to me like the reason why they think my music sticks around and like resonates with people is because I write it from my personal experiences.
Yeah.
And then what happens is sometimes when you're in a boy band or girl band, other people write your songs.
Yeah.
Not always, but most of the time. And then you're singing someone else's lyrics, so sometimes it's quite hard to make that song your own.
Yeah.
Whereas when I sing Kickstarts, even though I'm not as good a singer as, say, Westlife, because I write, all the lyrics myself, and I sort of sing it within my range, it sort of becomes unique.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? And like, it gives me more of a unique voice rather than having a classically great voice.
Kind of
you know what I mean?
Generically. Yeah.
And also the lyrics, when they come from the heart, I think it gives you an edge and a certain integrity over everybody else in the pop charts who doesn't write their own lyrics.
We're on the run, and I'm about to lose it.
Bringing to the last one standing, which is all over the radio at the moment.
Yeah.
I love that tune. Actually, I'm so annoyed I don't have it to show you, but we actually did a dance to your song, Last One Standing, on the show last week.
Come on, we'll catch our very last train, light our very last flame, so we'll knock it all back and forget our names, 'cause it's our last night, and it's one last fight, we're the last one.
Have you seen my video?
Yeah, I have. It's an outrageously good video.
Thank you.
It's hilarious. Is that your idea?
Yeah, it was actually.
Yeah, it's
originally the video was going to be about me having a fight with a bloke in a chicken suit, and the record label were like, nah, chicken's got nothing to do with the song, and I was
Fail
a bit
on the
annoyed.
chicken.
But the cop drama is like...
It's very Miami voice. I love it.
Thank you.
Yeah, we appreciate that a lot.
And the love kick starts again. Starts again. And the love kick starts again.
I'm back onto in Feb, when I think I'm coming back to Ireland in Feb.
Good
next
stuff.
year.
We look forward to seeing you then.
Yeah, it's going to be like a mini island to need to hit up everywhere.
Listen, Won't Go Quietly is a credit to you.
Thank you,
Super
fella.
stuff. Much obliged.
Cheers, Owen.
Example and short, our Pop4. It's not a while yet.